We do have some really ridiculous forecasts to give you because this weekend is going to be, you might just go to the pool.
You know what? It sounds weird to say for March, but here we are. Spring started an hour and a half ago, and it's not feeling much like spring. So temperatures in the low 90s today. Now,
disgusting.
Right, exactly. Now look, some of you wanted this, right? Earlier in the week when we had those sub-freezing temps. Can you believe this is all in the same week? I mean, Monday and Tuesday seem so long ago, and it has been a long week, I think, for many, especially if the kids are home. I tell you what, temperatures today into the lower 90s. Some spots in our western and southwestern counties could hit the mid to upper 90s. Some spots yesterday in Texas did hit the upper 90s. So today, Saturday, Sunday, we have a weather alert. Okay, record highs, near record highs possible. Increasing wildfire risk. Drink plenty of water, stay cool. Again, here we are mid to late March, and we're saying that. 71 at Cedar Hill. This is looking towards the south and west. I love this view. This is our transmission tower here at about 1,600 feet or thereabouts, and that's the southern half of Joe Pool Lake. All of this looking south and west. So very warm start here. All right. So this means bluebonnets. We're getting close. This was in Irving. I took this near the intersection of 114 and PGBT. And look at this, one little spot here. There are a couple of spots along the roads. Of course, the better fields will start coming in the next few weeks. So let's take a bluebonnet check here. Let's see where we're at. Bluebonnet season begins late March, early April for many, but we could have earlier spots. A good season typically needs, as you'd expect, sufficient rainfall in fall and winter, and mild temperatures and plenty of sunshine during the spring. Well, we have that, and we're actually not too far behind on rainfall. And I'll show you where we're at, actually. Let's go forward here, and I'll show you just where we're at with the rainfall. Let's go back here. We're doing great with the temperatures, okay? Here we go. So temperatures as we go through, really, the past 3-6 months have been great. Rainfall, though, October, November, and December may not seem like it. We actually had more rainfall than average. December was almost nothing, but most of that came in October and November. November, a ton of rainfall, over 10 inches overall for those 3 months. For January, February, and March, we're about 3 inches behind. Now, we still have ways to go here in March and even April for your spring, but we're running 3 inches behind. So overall, past 6 months, we're down by about 3 inches. But there are some signals maybe late next week or near the very end of March, early April. We could have a couple storm systems move through. That would increase and catch us up maybe back closer to where we should be. And then, of course, it peaks in April, typically winds down early to mid-May when temps just get too warm out there. But temperatures out there right now, really good. This is really good for bluebonnets, really good for everything. Problem is, we're going to go up another 20 degrees from here. I don't think this weekend will hurt things too much, but we are going to be really hot. Low 70s right now, Fort Worth, Dallas, 73 in Denton, 75 Mineral Wells. Already have almost 80 degrees on the board. Graham, Texas, 78 right now. Here's where we're going. This doesn't look a lot like spring, does it? Average daytime high, 70. Previous record, 92 in 2017. We're going to break that, I think, today. 93 in Dallas. I have Terrell at 89, Waxahachie, you'll be at 90. McKinney, 92. Archer City, 93. Graham, 94. Denton County, 91. Low 90s today in the same week that we woke up to sub-freezing temps Monday and Tuesday. Let's go through timecast. So this high pressure ridge sits over us. Look at the values here that are more gray. Those are 90s to 100. And this is rare to see. That'll be Saturday afternoon. Certainly rare for March. Then we go through Sunday, and Sunday's warm, and then that front enters Texas. You can see it by the cloud cover here. I think Sunday night into Monday, that pushes through the state. We're going to be so dry, I don't think we'll squeeze out a raindrop. Some of the models try to bring up maybe a shower or storm down near the Gulf Coast, but probably not for us. What that means is a dry, cold front. So 93 today, 96 Saturday, 97 Sunday. Guidance has fluctuated, could get closer to 100. I don't know at this point, but it's going to be very warm. 82, so that's a cold front dropping us down still to a warm territory. 80s, 89, 85 Tuesday. Watch this now, Wednesday. 90 degrees, so a couple days of 80s, then right back to 90. 91 Thursday. Then we get a stronger front late week. Some of the models are trying to pop back in, maybe a chance or two. We'll see if maybe rain pops in. All in all, though, next week, get ready because we're going to see temperatures stay pretty warm even after those fronts.